Hey there, this is Jody, the creator of this presentation slide Notion template. And this is just a quick preview of what you will get when you purchase this template. So I'm on the home page here. My intention was to make it super easy for you to create attractive workshop or masterclass or presentation slides using Notion. So on the home page here, I've just included some quick tips and tricks for making the most of your presentation and making it look good. Below that, I have a little emoji library where I just included emojis that I feel are most commonly used in presentations. So you can either copy and paste them right from here instead of spending the time searching for them. And I've also included, the search terms that you would use within Notion. For example, you type the colon, and then if you type clipboard, there you go, the clipboard comes up. So that's just for reference. And then at the top right hand corner, I have a list here of all the presentation template options. So there are toggle templates and then non-toggle templates. So the toggle templates, there's condensed and there's spaced. So I'll just show you the condensed super quick. So as you can see, I just have all of the toggle menus one after the other, and you just open and close them like this, obviously, and you can choose to keep whichever slides you want and delete whichever ones you want. It's totally up to you. These are all just templates and options for you to use. And yeah, and then they have a color background. And then as you could see on the home page, there is a white background option. So it's just, as you would assume, white background. As you can see here, exact same thing, just white instead of colored background. Then I have the toggle template spaced option, which is the same thing, but you'll see there's a whole bunch of white space here. So if you don't want people viewing the presentation to see the title of the next slide, then this one's for you. So all they see is this one, and you can open it up, and then that's all they see, and then you can move on to the next one. So they're just spaced out. Then there's an option of the scrolling template. So this is just continuous scrolling, no toggle menus. Yeah, just loading a little slow. Here we go. So it's just the same slide templates, just continuous scrolling and then spaced out. So you only see one on the screen at a time. And then the last option is the linked templates. So here at the top, there'll be a table of contents right here in this toggle menu. And each of these represents one of the slides, and it's a link to those slides below. So for example, if I wanted to go to the content slide, image option 1, it takes me straight there to content slide image option 1. And then beside each slide, there's a little star, which is a link. If you click it, it takes you back up to the table of contents at the top. So that's everything. I hope that helps you get a good feel of this template.